Very good day. I want to use this opportunity to talk to you that think, you know, doors keep on closing in front of you and there's no opportunity for the door to get opened. But just believe in yourself, believe that God will never close a door and not open another one for you. My friend, you that are in a position where you think, I'm sick and tired of struggling. I'm sick and tired of suffering. I'm sick and tired of not going on holiday. I want to have a better life. I want to have a financial freedom, all those wonderful things that you thinking about every day, and you can't sleep in the evening because you keep on worrying and stressing about these things. Please, my number and my name is going to be on the bottom here. Just give me a buzz and I will walk you through this situation, and we will make it changes together. I will help you step by step. This is a wonderful opportunity that the Lord put on my path. It's Legacy Builders program, and serious, you guys, it's making a difference already. There's some changes taking place in my life. So if I can do it, then you can do it. If I can, I always say to the people, excuse my English, I've only used my English on school for self-defense. So, but I want to help everybody. I seriously want to help you out of the position because I've been in a position which I've not asked for. Also now, since 2023, I've been through few operations, and you know, uh, to get old is not for sissies. But yeah, we're getting there. Unfortunately, everybody's going to walk the walk and talk the talk. So let's grab this opportunity, you guys. Just send me a WhatsApp and I will definitely go through it with you step by step. I'll send you the blueprint. This Legacy Builders program make a difference in a lot of people's lives. There's 8,000 people in South Africa already whose lives has been touched and changed. There's more than 1,000 people already that is on a group that they brought up, and the support team is there. It's so wonderful. Really, we can step through all these things with you. You're not going to be on your own. Don't worry about it. So just give me a buzz, and I'll send you the blueprint. I'll send you everything that you can also feel better and sleep through the night, not waking up and struggle to fall asleep because all the worries and the stress that's there. So let's take that away. So please just give me a buzz and have a wonderful day. We talk soon. Bye bye.